guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all keeping safe and well and staying at home. Today I just wanted to make a really quick video to let you guys know that I get questions all the time about my hair colour, so I thought it just makes sense to make a quick video to let you guys know that I've coloured my hair again. As I mentioned in my last video where I coloured my roots, I went from black to light roots, so it matched the rest of my hair. I did mention that that wasn't the final hair colour that I wanted, and I did have a box dye that I've always been wanting to use but I've never used because I had roots and it just wouldn't make sense, and I had to lighten my roots first. So yesterday I did colour my hair and I did use that box dye, and I am absolutely in love with this hair colour. It's called Khaki Brown and it's by a Korean brand called Etude House. It is a firm one, so it was really easy to use and there was so much foam. But having said that, even though I love the colour and it worked really well, I wish I had two bottles because there's some parts underneath here and especially on the ends where it's not as ashy as it is on the top. Because I obviously started with the top of my hair first. I started at my roots and then I worked my way down. So by the time I got down to the bottom, there wasn't much foam left for me to use. So I wish I had two boxes, but I think it doesn't look that bad. It's definitely a lot lighter in person than it is on camera. I'll try to get some shots when I'm stood near the window, because when I'm not stood near the window it looks like a medium ashy brown, but when I'm stood near the window it goes really light. Let me see if I can see. Even if I just move a little bit closer to the window, already that looks different, doesn't it? It's a lot lighter. Let me just pull this down so you can see the actual colour. Yeah, it's like I said, lighter than it looks on camera, but I'm absolutely in love. Like I said, it would have been better if I had two boxes, and I did go online to try and order another one because I could do the rest of my hair and any parts that I've missed, but shipping from Asia is just a pain in the ass right now. It would have cost me like 17 or 18 pounds and it would have taken 21 days because of, you know, the whole COVID-19 thing. So I thought I'll just leave it. I'll just wait until, you know, this kind of storm passes by and it's okay to like buy things from Asia, because I don't want to keep buying things. I've made a pact to myself that unless it's really necessary, then I'm not going to online shop because there's just no need for it right now. So yeah, this is my hair colour. I just wanted to update you guys on my hair colour because whenever people ask me what my hair colour is, I find it quite hard to describe it because it's been through so many stages of colour and processing. So it's easy for me to just, you know, show you guys the video or show whoever asked the video so that they can see what I used and how I did it. So yeah, this is my very quick video to let you guys know that I have a new hair colour and what I used, and yeah. If I flip my hair over and bring you guys closer, you can probably see it a lot better. Like I said, there's some parts at the bottom where I wish like this is a little bit warm compared to the top. I wish I just had another box and more product, but yeah, I absolutely love the colour. Honestly guys, I know a lot of people like don't colour your hair at home by yourself, go to the hair salon and seek professional help. Honestly, I've had better results doing my own hair at home than going to a hair salon. If you've been following me for a while, then you'll know. Every time I go to the hair salon it always comes out a bit different to what I want, but when I do it at home it is, you know, what I want. So yeah, I'm just gonna end the video there because I just want to make this quick and easy for you to watch. Yeah, hope you're keeping safe, and I have a lot of videos coming, like especially like eating ones, what I eat in a day, recipes, what I eat to cheer myself up, blah blah blah. Yeah, so if you want to see that, don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you're not subscribed already, and I shall see you in my next video. Bye guys.